Welcome back to the 27th session of Cost Accounting. Myself, Dr. Nagamani KN, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce, Government First Grade College, KGF. In this session, we are going to discuss types of incentive plans. Before going to discuss about types of incentive plans, in the previous session, we have discussed methods of remuneration. In that methods of remuneration, there are three types are there. One is time rate system, second one is piece rate system, and the third one is incentive scheme or bonus plans. Time rate system means on the basis of time spent on the job, the organization is going to pay the wages. In the case of piece rate system, on the basis of number of units produced by the worker, organization will pay the wages. And in the case of incentive scheme, it is an inducing or motivating the workers to produce more and earn more. Okay. Now in this session, what are those incentive plans we are going to discuss? There are two types of incentive plans are there. One is wholesale plan and another one is Rowan plan. The first one is wholesale plan. This wholesale plan was developed and introduced by FA Halsey. So only they have given the name wholesale plan. And it is an incentive plan where a standard time is fixed for doing a job. For example, 8 hours is the standard time. A worker is not only paid normal wages and also paid a bonus of 50% of the time saved. For example, the standard time is 8 hours. For 8 hours, they are taking 80 rupees. But they have saved 1 hour. For that 1 hour, the company is going to give the 50% as a bonus. That is called as wholesale plan. Here, formula for wholesale plan is T into R plus 50% of S minus T into R. T stands for time taken, R stands for rate per hour, and S stands for standard time. And one important thing you have to remember before solve the problem, that is, I told if they have saved the time, they are going to give 50% as a bonus for the time saved. But this 50% may vary. Okay. For example, 40% or 60% or 70%. Depends upon the rules of the organization. Here, if nothing has given in the problem, what is the bonus rate? We have to consider 50%. If they have specified 40% bonus rate, we have to take the 40% in the formula itself. Okay. And if it is given 60% means we have to change it in the formula like 60%. Okay. That is called as wholesale plan. And the second one is Rowan plan. Here, this is also an incentive plan and it was developed and introduced by David Rowan. So only they have given a name Rowan plan for this one. And it is also a similar plan like wholesale plan, similar to the wholesale plan. But what is the difference? Only the calculation of bonus is the difference. How we can calculate the wages under the row 1 plan? The formula for that is T into R plus S minus T divided by S into T into R. Okay, here T stands for time taken, R stands for rate per hour, and S stands for standard time. Here also the bonus rate may vary, that is it may be 40, 50 or 60%. So there are two incentive plans are there. One is row 1 plan and another one is wholesale plan. Okay. If you want to refer some other textbooks, means these are the references books. Thank you.